Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp noodle soup. We'll begin by gathering all the necessary components for this delightful dish. Then, we'll walk through the simple steps to create a flavorful broth, perfectly cooked shrimp, and tender noodles. This comprehensive guide will help you master a comforting bowl of shrimp noodle soup, ensuring a satisfying meal for everyone. To start, you'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined. For the noodles, 8 ounces of your favorite kind, like egg or rice noodles, will work perfectly. The heart of our soup is 4 cups of quality chicken or vegetable broth. Don't forget aromatics such as 2 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger, plus fresh vegetables like bok choy. First, gently saute your aromatics, like 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of grated ginger, in a little oil until fragrant. Next, pour in 4 cups of your chosen broth and bring it to a gentle simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, add your peeled shrimp, cooking them for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them. Once your broth and shrimp are ready, cook your noodles separately according to their package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. Divide the cooked noodles evenly among 4 warm serving bowls. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic broth and succulent shrimp over the noodles. For a final touch, garnish your delicious shrimp noodle soup with fresh cilantro, thinly sliced green onions, or a tiny drizzle of sesame oil. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.